Hi everyone. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Dustin's Fun Math. As I promised before, we have a video related to inverse of trigonometric equation. It's a fun concept. I hope you will enjoy it. So we have a equation here. It says solve for x. So it's apparently is an equation, and the thing that is very noticeable here is this negative 1 power. So just a quick reminder, if I have a tangent of x all to the power of negative 1, this is equal to 1 over tangent of x. It's going to be reciprocal. However, the location of negative 1 is important. The negative 1 is located here, right here, this location here. So that is the definition of inverse function. So then don't get confused with the reciprocal one. The negative 1 is outside the entire tangent of x. So which is going to be equal to 1 over tangent of x, all right? So make sure you don't get confused with that, please. So now we know this is inverse function in trigonometry. And the other way to show this is if I can show it as arc of tangent of x. So arc, it represents inverse, plus arc of tangent of 1 minus x equal to 2 arc of tangent of a square root of under a square root of x. Under a square root is x minus x squared. All right. So we have an inverse function here. So the way you want to solve it is we want to set each one to a value, which this one is going to be alpha. These are equal to a degree. This is going to be beta, and this one is going to be gamma, right? Greek notations makes life easier. So one thing that I should let you guys know, that if I have an arc of tangent of x equal alpha, they interchange each other, and arc goes away. So this becomes, therefore this becomes tangent of alpha equal x. So this is a transition you're gonna have. So I'm going to use this to my advantage. So this is going to be, so I'm going to write this as tangent of alpha is equal to x. This one is going to be tangent of beta equal 1 minus x. And this one here, we're not including the 2 here. We're just looking at this function, this inverse function. This is going to be tangent of gamma is equal to a square root. Tangent of gamma is equal to a square root of under a square root is x minus x squared. All right, so these are the relationship we now established. So originally, when we set these to alpha and beta, basically we have alpha plus beta, which is going to be equal to 2 gamma. 2 times this gamma becomes 2 gamma. And then we have this tangent of alpha equal x, tangent of beta equal 1 minus x, and tangent of gamma is equal to a square root of under square root is x minus x squared. So what we got to do with these? What this is relationships is telling us? Well, it says that with this relationship that I have here, alpha plus beta equal to gamma, I have to manipulate this equation in order to use these above relationships. The tangent of alpha equal x, the tangent of beta equal 1 minus x, and tangent of gamma equal the square root of under the square root is x minus x squared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a tangent of the angles from both sides. So if I do that, so it's going to be tangent of alpha plus beta, and this is going to be tangent of 2 gamma inside the parentheses. And then I'm going to establish what are their identities are. So for tangent of alpha plus beta, so tangent of alpha plus beta is going to be tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta all over 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. And this one here, tangent of 2 gamma, is going to be 2 tangent of gamma over 1 minus tangent square gamma. So now, as you can see, we have tangent of alpha, we have tangent of beta, we have tangent of gamma in this relationship, which they're equal to their correspondence x, 1 minus x, and square root of under square root x minus s squared. So all I need to do is substitute these back into this equation and solve it for x. And that's going to be our goal. So yeah, let's do that. Let's put the x, let's put the corresponding values for tangent of alpha, tangent of beta, and tangent of gamma to establish an equation all in terms of x. So just give you a second to observe what I wrote here before I erase some of it. Unfortunately, I have a small whiteboard here. Sorry about that. Also, if you hear cat noise, that's my cat. His name is Leo. Sorry about that. So yeah, so let's get rid of this top section here, so we have more room to create our equation all in terms of x. All right. So tangent of alpha, this is going to be x, right? Plus tangent of beta is 1 minus x, all divided by 1 minus x times 1 minus x, right? And 2 tangent of gamma is going to be 2 times square root of x minus square root divided by 1 minus square root of x minus s squared, all to the power of 2, which in turn becomes x minus x squared. All right, that's a relationship in this equation here. So now I'm going to get rid of this bottom one so I have more space to solve. Yeah, and any part of this solving process doesn't make sense, please leave me in my comments so I can respond to you to clarify things for you. So just a basic algebra. So x with negative x goes away, right? This goes away, you end up with 1. 1 minus x times 1 minus x is going to be minus x plus x squared, right? And then I have 2 square root of x minus s squared all over 1 minus x plus x squared. All right. If you notice that the denominator are the same, so basically when you cross multiply this, they will go away. So you end up with 2 square root of x minus s squared equal 1. And then what I'm doing, this is a rational, this is a radical equation. So I square both sides by 2 to get the x minus x squared. So I square both sides by 2 so I can get x minus x squared out of the radical. So this becomes 4 times x minus s squared equal 1. So this is going to be 4x minus 4x2 minus 1 equals 0. I can factor out the negative. So this becomes 4x2 minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. I'm going to put a flash here. So this equation here is going to be 2x. So I can use the if you remember the negative b plus minus the quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So our A here is 4. This is our A. The B here is -4, and the C here is 1, right? All right. So I'm gonna substitute these. So B is going to be -4 times negative is going to be 4, plus minus B squared is going to be 16, and then 4 times 1 is 4, and then times 4 is 16. So 16 minus 16, which is, this is going to be 0. 2 times 4 is 8. So this becomes x equal 4 divided by 8, which in turn is going to be 1.5. And that's our final answer. That's what we wanted to see. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm here to help you out, guys. I will let you know when is my new video will come. I don't know what it's going to be about, but I will let you guys know. Have a wonderful day and take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.